Welcome to a magical new world where a very special friend invites you to climb aboard on his biggest adventure ever. See him for the first time on the big screen. It's Thomas the Tank Engine.
Who else were you expecting?
Join Thomas in Thomas and the Magic Railroad. Meet Mr. Conductor.
All aboard!
Important day, Mr. C?
It is a very important day.
Get out of my way!
Now someone's causing all kinds of trouble.
Oh, Junior, you've got to come here right away.
The sparkle has left.
I've run out of gold dust, and because of that, I'm losing my energy as well.
Just hold on, cuz.
And it will take a hero with nerves of steel
Don't worry, I'm on my way.
to bring the magic back.
I'll get you, you blue puffball!
This is just like the fun fair.
I don't think you meant to do that.
No.
Losing your sparkle, eh? What perfect timing.
Alec Baldwin,
To find more gold dust.
Peter Fonda,
This is your shining time
and Mara Wilson,
You're a really useful engine, Thomas.
star of Matilda.
Now that's what I call a perfect landing.
In Thomas and the Magic Railroad.
I'll save a seat for you.
They're gonna put me in the movies. They're gonna make a big star out of me. Make a film about a man that's sad and lonely. All we gotta do is act naturally. Well, I bet you I'm gonna be a big star. I win an Oscar, you can never tell. The movie's gonna make me a big star, 'cause I can play the part so well. Well, I hope you'll come and see me in the movie. Then I know that you will plainly see the biggest fool that ever hit the big time. All I gotta do is act naturally. Film about a man that's sad and lonely, begging down upon his bended knee. I'll play the part, but I won't need rehearsing. All we gotta do is act naturally. Well, I bet you I'm gonna be a big star. I win an Oscar, you can never tell. The movie's gonna make me a big star, 'cause I can play the part so well. Well, I hope you'll come and see me in the movie. Then I know that you will plainly see the biggest fool that ever hit the big time. All we gotta do is